Hey, and welcome to our GeoJSON tutorial. What we're going to do right now is we're going to train you how to find out all of the different locations that you want to do and be able to have you guys draw the maps around each of the different buildings and locations that you want to do. Because sometimes you want to include a parking lot along with the building and sometimes not. So what we're going to do is we're going to let you guys map out exactly where you want to capture your people. And we're going to show you now how you can submit that to us. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to geojson.io, geojson.io. You can see that it's up right here. And then what you're going to do, the very first thing is you're going to grab an address. We're going to get this burger place right here. I'm just going to grab it here from Google My Business. And you're going to click on this magnifying glass and then just go ahead and type in the location, hit enter, and then what you're going to want to do is grab this, the one that matches the best, because this is going to come from Google. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is kind of go down to satellite, and you're going to hit this plus button at least 2 times, maybe 3. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to, so right here is the burger place, right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this icon right here that looks like a little 5-star polygon. And this is our polygon tool that we're going to use to capture the burger place right here. Okay, so what that's going to do is it's going to give you polygonal coordinates for this location. Now the thing that you're going to do about this is what we're going to do is we're going to copy the very first part of the address, because we're going to use this in the name of what we're going to save right now. So you're going to click on save and you're going to choose GeoJSON. And you're going to save this file, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this file, we're going to open it up again. Actually, what we're going to do, we're just going to rename it. So what we're going to do here is see this map.geojson right here. What we're going to do is we're going to replace the word map with the first part of the address right here. That way we can kind of keep it straight on which one is which. Now then we're going to do this again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on new right here, which kind of clears everything out. We're going to go over to here to this beauty salon. We're going to pretend like this beauty salon here is one that we're going to map. And again, what we're going to do is click on the magnifying glass and hit enter. We're going to choose the address that fits it best. We're going to click on the plus button 2 times, go down to satellite, and we're going to, actually I'm going to zoom in a couple more times. So this one right here has this one right here is the hair salon right here. So let's go ahead and choose this location here. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to see this all mapped out here on the left, but what we're going to do is we're going to go back and grab the first part of the address. It doesn't really matter how much you save there. And we're going to go ahead and click on this. We're going to come back over, and we're going to rename this again, just the map portion, just like that. And then let's do one more for good measure here. This is an RV park right here, and this is one that is going to be outside a little bit, so I want to show you what this is going to look like. We're going to do the same thing again. You can just click on an address and click on or no, I guess we want to hit new right here because we want to clear this out so that it's brand new, so that it's one location per file. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to want to click in here on 2 times. We're going to go down here on satellite so we can see what we're doing. And boom, you can see real clear where this RV lot is. So what we're going to do is use this polygonal one. And this is a good illustration. I'm just going to go just on the outside of this all over. And we're going to go across this whole property right here. We're going to come back, and then when it turns gray, you can see that this is done and it has all the coordinates that we want. Alright, we're going to click on save and GeoJSON. We're going to save this again. Let's go down and rename this file again where it says map.geojson. We're going to change out the map for the address, and we're good to go. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to, if you're on a Mac, you can select all of them and compress all of those, and you can send this archive to us. And then with the archive right here, if you can name it, the name of the project that you have, like say for instance this is maybe Snyder RV is the name of your project right here, and that was one of their competitors. Go ahead and name it the name of the project just so that we can keep it straight on our side, because we're going to get a lot of these. And then go ahead and send this over to us to support@trafficoxygen.com, and you're good to go. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you again on some other training.